loves to purr and play with a ball. Whiskers twitch, tail held high. Watch that kitty jump and fly.
D is for dog, wagging its tail, running and barking down the trail. Playful, happy, full of cheer. Doggy, doggy, come right here. E is for elephant, big and gray, swinging your trunk all through the day. Stomp, stomp, you roll so strong. Elephant, come sing along. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. Wiggle your tail and follow me. Bubble, bubble, splash and glide. Fishy, fishy in the tide. Is for the giraffe who's standing tall. Stretch your neck, you're the tallest of all. Reaching high, believe so sweet. Giraffe, giraffe, what a treat. H is for
Hopping like the happiest hare. Hop, hop, hopping here and there. Bounce to the left, bounce to the right. Hopping hares are out of sight.
I is for
Ice cream, cold and sweet, the yummiest summer treat to eat. Chocolate, vanilla, and sprinkles too. I love ice cream, how about you?
J is for jellyfish floating by, waving your tentacles oh so high, gliding in the ocean deep. Jellyfish, you're a sight to keep. K is for the kite up in the sky, flying so high, watch it glide by, twisting and turning in the breeze. Kites are so fun, they dance with ease.
L is for lion, strong and brave, roar so loud and waves to the cave. With a mane so proud and bright, the king of the jungle takes flight.
N is for the monkey, swinging in the trees, chattering loudly as free as the breeze, jumping high from vine to vine. Monkey, monkey, you're so fine.
N is for nest where birds lay, safe and warm all through the day. Eggs so snug waiting to hatch, nests are perfect, what a match.
O is for the owl awake at night, hooting softly in the moonlight. Big round eyes that see so far. Owl, owl, you're a star.
E is F for the penguin, waddling away, sliding on ice, ready to play. With your tuxedo, black and white. Penguin, penguin, you're out of sight.
Q is for the queen with her crown, ruling kindly all around.
Royal robes and sparkly things, the queen is happy and she sings.
R is for the rabbit hopping fast, through the meadow you zoom right past.
With your ears so tall and long, rabbit, rabbit, join the song.
S is for the snake slithering slow,
Through the grass you twist and go, silent, smooth, without a sound.
S is for snake on the ground.
T is for the turtle in its shell,
Walking slowly, all is well.
take your time, move with care. Turtle, turtle, always there. Umbrella, umbrella, open wide, keeping me dry with you by my side. Rainy days are full of fun, with an umbrella I won't run. Violet, violet, purple hue, growing pretty just for you. In the garden, soft and bright, violet flowers are such a sight. What? Well, big and grand, splashing water, oh so grand. In the ocean you swim with grace, whale, whale, set the pace.
Xylophone, xylophone, hear the sound. Top the bars, the music's found. High and low, notes in line. Xylophone, your tune's divine. Yak, yak, yak with fur so thick, climbing mountains, you're so quick. Yodeling loud, oh what a sound.
Yaks are strong and travel around.
Zebra, zebra, black and white, running swiftly, such a sight.
With stripes so bold you're free and wild. Zebra, zebra, nature's child.
Hello kids, today we're going to learn our letters by sound. I'm going to let you see what sound it makes. And it's called phonics. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for giraffe, giraffe. H is for hop, hop. I is for ice cream, ice cream. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K is for kite. Kite. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for owl. Owl. P is for penguin. Penguin. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for snake. Snake. T is for turtle. Turtle. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violet. Violet. W is for whale. Whale. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Having fun, kids? Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.